Hello everyone, my name is Pooja. Today's date is 4 April. Today's video topic name is difference between static variable, instance variable, static method, instance method, and the static block and the instance block. So first of all we have to see the difference between static variable and instance variable. So first, static variable defined with the static keyword. It will be declared inside the class and outside the method, and the scope of the static variable is throughout the class. Instance variable does not define with any keyword. It declares inside the class and outside the method, and the scope of the instance variable is throughout the class. Second, static variable remains in a memory as long as the program execution. Instance variable remains in the memory as long as the object in the memory. Third, static variable require the static keyword to be specified, and the use of the access specifier, especially it use the public access modifier. In instance variable does not require any special keyword, but it use access modifier. Especially it use the private and protected access modifier. Fourth, static variable is created only once when the class loader is loads the class. Instance variable is created every time and the instance is created. Fifth, a static variable is used when you want to store the value, and that is represented all the instance like count, average, sum, etc. Instance variable is used to store the value that represent the property of single instance. Static variable can be accessed by calling with the class name. For example, class name dot variable name. Instance variable can be accessed directly by calling the variable name inside the class. For example, object reference dot variable name. 7. The declaration of the static variable. Static int count of the orders. Declaration of the instance variable, string order name. Second, let's see the difference between static method and instance method. Static method can be called without the object of the class. Instance method called by the object of the class. Static method associated with the class. Instance method associated with the object. Static method can only access the static variable of the class. Instance method can access all the attributes of the class. Static method will exist as a single copy of the class. Instance method exist multiple copies, and it's depend on the number of instance of the class. The static method definition must be start with the static keyword. For example, static void display. In that method, print the message hi. So output will be the hi, and this static method will be called without object. Instance method does not require the static keyword at the start of the method. For example, void display in a bracket print hi. So output will be the hi, and that instance method will be called with the object. The result of the static method always shared by the object of the same class. The result of the instance method is not shared. After that, let's see the difference between static block and instance block. Static block is also called as the initialization block in the Java. Instance block is also known as the non-static initialization block in the Java. Static block execute before the instance block of in the Java. Instance block is execute after the static block in the Java. Only static variable can be accessed inside the static block. Means static block allow only the static variable inside the static block. Instance block access static as well as non-static variable inside the instance block. Next, static block can be used for initializing the static variable. Instance block is used instance variable for the initialization. In a static block, this keyword does not use in the static block. In an instance block, this keyword can be used in the instance block. Next, a static block execute when the static block is execute when the class is loaded in the Java. A instance block is execute only when the instance of the class is created and it not called when the class is loaded in the class. Means static block is execute when the class is loaded in the Java, and the instance block is execute when the instance of the class is created.